Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. Today we're going to do the full install for the new carbon fiber center console for the Model Y and the Model 3 2021 version. This today is the glossy version. So again, before you take any of the double-sided tape off, we always say place it down and let's do a test drive first, okay? So test it, make sure you like it, make sure you love how this goes right around the cup holders, around the liner. Make sure you like how it fits. Make sure you like how the top piece fits. You can fit it right underneath, just fit it right down like that. So this is completely uninstalled, but at least you can try it like this. So just check it out, make sure you like it. And remember, the Alcantara piece, a lot of people say they don't like this, but you need a key card holder to work. You don't even see it. So see how I'm in the car? Anyway, all right, we're gonna move on with the installation. So the first thing is preparation. And what we're gonna do is get the car ready by cleaning it with rubbing alcohol. So you just wanna get any oils and grease off of here, and that way it's gonna stick good. So again, remember we're using 3M VHB, very high bonding, double-sided tape. So we need a clean surface. Otherwise it's not going to hold. So that was easy enough. Now we're going to remove the tape, and we'll probably start off with the cup holder piece. Now this is really easy to do. You just simply got to peel off the Alcantara liner and then all this red tape. So just peel a little edge off and peel it off. Now this is going to really help it stick right to the center of the cup holder, and then we're going to pick all these off. So again, use a knife or something and start peeling. Okay, after you get all the tape off, we recommend you open up the sliding drawer. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put the front end on. And notice how this can move back and forth slightly. So we're going to put this right at the edge. And then we're going to lift it up a little bit and put it right over the cup holder and all the way to the left side. So basically we're getting our alignment top and bottom flush, pushing this down. And then the back. Don't worry, it fits perfect. It goes right in between the aluminum rails. This one is really impossible to misinstall. And if you do get it a little offline, just slowly lift it up without cracking it. But there's plenty of tape underneath to secure this. And then pressure sensitive adhesive tape, PSA, needs pressure. So please apply pressure. All right, doesn't that look great? Okay, last piece is the sliding drawer opener, as we call it. So we're simply going to remove all the tape, and then we're going to place it on top like this. We're going to put it right under the edge and then push it down. And it's going to go completely underneath all three sections of the aluminum rails. So let's pull the tape off of this one. Okay, after you pull the last piece of tape out, we also want to remind you of one other thing. Now, the only possible clearance issues is going to be between here and the aluminum tray. So like we showed in our general video, you could put your thumbs on here, put your hands on here and lift up and pull the sides up. So there is a little bit of play. There's a lot of play actually. So don't be afraid to do this before you put it on. And again, sliding tray is going to close just like that. We're going to line it up on this edge. So we recommend you slide it open a little bit, maybe with your other hand, and lay it down right on this edge. So we want a perfect alignment here, just like this. So see how my fingers flush. Then we're going to press the handle down. So then that 3M tape's going to grab. And make sure you don't see any of the gray. If you do, just adjust it a little bit. And now we're going to do something like this. We're going to let it close. So now that it's closed, we're going to push down with our little towel and it's going to go right underneath the front lip. Pull it back and tuck it right underneath. Get those two corners go under, and now it's down. Now we're going to add pressure. Push on the drawer slightly. And now we're going to open it. Opens just as fast. There's no rubbing. Now there is a roller underneath here, a little rubber roller. So I like to keep the pressure off by just aligning it and pulling it up slightly. And that's it. It looks great. It opens the same speed. There's no frictional problems. It tucks under all three sides of the aluminum rails perfect. And that's our first glossy one, all installed in our customer's car. And again, add some more pressure as I'm doing. And make sure you use a microfiber towel. And press it back and forth. This is really going to help it stick, and you want it to stick to the handle. Oh, it's awesome. We love it. So proud of how well it fits and how it looks so factory and so OEM, right up to the edges, under the rails, on the sides and the front, and then on this side, butt up next to it. Thanks again for checking it out, and it's in stock now. RPM Tesla. We have these in glossy, and we have them in matte, and they match our dashboards, steering wheels, and all of our other parts. Thanks again for watching.